Imagine unlocking AI superpowers right inside your SQL queries. No PhDs, no pipelines, just pure Databricks magic that turns raw data into instant insights. Today, discover the top 5 AI functions you need to know to classify chaos, query anything, extract gold from text, decode sentiments, and generate content on demand. Watch the demos and level up your game forever, and smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss these game-changing tips. Let's break down these 5 AI functions before we jump into the demos. AI Classify sorts text into predefined labels you specify, like urgent or low-priority tickets. It works best for simple, predefined categorization tasks where speed matters most. Think high-volume ticketing routing. Use AI Query instead for nuanced or open-ended classification, though note AI Query costs more due to individual LLM calls. AI Query runs full LLM queries with your custom prompts on any data. It handles complex logic and edge cases. You can also use any of the available LLMs on Databricks and even add custom prompts for total flexibility. AI Extract pulls specific entities, names, dates, amounts from unstructured text. You get clean, structured data ready for analysis from messy sources. AI Analyze Sentiment scores text as positive, negative, neutral, or mixed. This lets you automatically prioritize customer feedback or reviews by tone. AI Gen generates free-form text based on your data and prompts, like emails or summaries. It automates business communications at scale. All right, enough talking. Let's jump into the demos. Now watch AI Classify tackle real ticket triage, turning chaotic descriptions into instant, urgent, or not urgent flags. This code creates a table with 16 support tickets, 8 screaming emergencies like production stopped, mixed with routine issues. The magic happens in one SQL line using the AI Classify function, which scans each description and spits out the label. The value? No more human skimming 10,000 tickets daily. This auto-routes critical issues to priority queues, while routine stuff hits standard workflows, saving hours and preventing revenue or safety disasters. Before we jump into AI Query, let me quickly show you where you can locate the available LLM library in Unity Catalog. So, navigate to your System Catalog and expand the AI schema. Within Model, you can find and explore the 51 available models that you can then use in your AI Query function. Now, see AI Query crush messy logistics data that defies simple rules, handling wild variations and edge cases in one shot. This setup loads a table with 30+ accessorial charges. A custom prompt for AI Query uses Databricks' Claude Opus model, demanding exact category matches like equipment or manual review required, then cleans the output to plain text. As real-world freight bills hit with typos, abbreviations, and other weirdness, they get auto-classified accurately, no regex nightmares or manual cleanup. This scales to millions of lines, slashing billing errors and disputes. Now watch AI Query switch to HR resume screening using the same function but a different industry and use case. This table packs 20 candidate summaries, Spark experts, SQL masters, Databricks pros, Fabric specialists, plus outliers like quantum physicists or art historians. One AI Query call with Claude Opus and a sharp prompt sorts them into exact skill buckets or manual review required, with minimal regex polish. It handles thousands of resumes in seconds, nailing talent matches across sloppy formats. No keyword traps or manual sifting. Recruiters can skip the grind and book interviews fast. Now, let's see AI Extract pull structured data from chaotic logistics tickets with no complex parsing needed. We set up 12 messy real-world tickets packed with jumbled details like container numbers, PO numbers, dollar values, temperatures, and codes, buried in frantic descriptions. One AI extract call targets the descriptions with an array of 9 entity types: container number, PO number, dollar value, temperature, and hazmat class, and extracts them all cleanly in a single pass. This changes the game because it turns unparsable noise into queryable fields instantly. Those fields feed dashboards, alerts, and billing systems directly. No more days lost to manual data entry. Next up, AI Analyze Sentiment automatically scores customer feedback to drive action. We load 16 real customer messages ranging from glowing praise to total disasters. The AI Analyze Sentiment function reads each feedback text and returns positive, negative, neutral, or mixed. A simple case statement then flags priorities like prioritize for negatives, NPS follow-up for positives, or monitor for everything else, with results sorted by sentiment severity. This delivers automatic feedback triaging at scale. Negative rants jump to the top for immediate response teams, while positive comments feed your customer success follow-ups. Finally, AI Gen automatically crafts customer emails and internal escalations from ticket details. We load 10 tickets across priorities from P1 critical disasters to P4 low positives. 2 AI Gen calls kick in. The first builds professional customer email responses with tone-matching priority, apologetic for P1, P2, with $100 credits and timelines, grateful for P4. The second generates concise ops team messages with just the key issue and action needed, sorted by priority. This eliminates hours of writing repetitive responses. Customer service reps copy and paste ready emails. Ops teams get instant actionable alerts, and nothing falls through the cracks. You can combine these functions into powerful SQL pipelines for end-to-end data processing. You could start with AI Extract to pull entities from raw text, feed those into AI Classify for categorization, layer on AI Analyze Sentiment for prioritization, use AI Query to handle custom edge cases, and finish with AI Gen to produce reports or responses. Run the full chain in one query and turn chaos into actionable workflows instantly. I'll drop the links to the docs and code in the description so you can test it out. And remember, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.